Sai Ram, welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. Okay, so names of flowers with sounds. Now let's see the beautiful creation again of God, right? So the first one we will see is rose, R-O-S-E, rose. So how will you say the sounds? R-O-S-E, rose. Now I'm not going to tell the sounds of all. You all know. Now by now you are experts, right? Very good. Now we have lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. When I say the second time, you all say with the sounds. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. See the beautiful lotus? It's always in the pond, in the slush, but it is very not affected by the slush. Okay, so we should be like the lotus flower. Then blue water lily, B-L-U-E, blue water, W-A-T-E-R, water, lily, L-I-L-Y, lily, blue water lily. See, blue water lily. It's somewhat like a lotus only. Okay, then we have marigold, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Yes, marigold, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, gold, marigold. Why I am saying the spelling slowly? Because in your mind you should say the sounds. Yes, very good. Now aster, A-S-T-E-R, aster. See, the sound of A is as A, aster. Okay, very good. Plumeria, plumeria, P-L-U-M-E-R-I-A, plumeria. This is very common, right? We say it champa, but it is plumeria. Very good. Now, see, we'll revise again. Rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Then we have blue water lily, B-L-U-E, blue, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, lily, L-I-L-Y, blue water lily. Then marigold, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Then aster, A-S-T-E-R, aster. Then we have plumeria, P-L-U-M-E-R-I-A, plumeria. Okay. Then we have some more flowers. Sunflower, S-U-N, sunflower, F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower, S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. Yes. Then we have tuberose, T-U-B-E-R-O-S-E, tuberose. Okay. Then we have periwinkle, P-E-R-I-W-I-N-K-L-E, periwinkle. Okay. When we see the pictures, then you will understand what it is. Then we have lily, L-I-L-Y, lily. Then we have canna, C-A-N-N-A, canna. Okay. Then we have daisy, D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. Now we will go again. See, we learned the spellings. Now we will see with the pictures. Okay, so that it will go in your head properly. So sunflower, S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. So it rises and blooms only when the sun is there. Okay, as the sun sets, it will also set like this. It will go down, bloom down. Then we have tuberose, T-U-B-E-R-O-S-E, tuberose. It is very fragrant. Okay, so I love this flower. Even Lord Shiva loves this flower. Okay. Then we have periwinkle, P-E-R-I-W-I-N-K-L-E, periwinkle. Periwinkle nowadays, it is a very, very precious plant, you know. Earlier, nobody knew the importance of it. Now, they say that if you eat 2 petals and 1 flower of periwinkle plant and the flower, it is very good for health. That is for memory also and for controlling blood sugar and blood pressure. Okay. So, see, this small ant is also visiting it, right? It's just a joke, but see this, in the picture it is clearly seen. Okay, lily, 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 okay. Then we have canna. Have you seen this? Yes, we all have seen this flower, but we didn't know that it is called canna, right? Canna, canna. So, next time you see, you say, I know this flower, it is called canna. It is yellow color also and white color also, and these are the orange ones, okay. Then we have daisy, Daisy, daisy. See why I am telling you the names of fruits, flowers, vegetables, and then also, you know, birds, because we should relate them. When we go to different countries or different places, and if we want those flowers, we cannot say that I want in our mother tongue. Okay, we cannot say. We have to say it in English or the language which the other person knows. So, always English you can say, and then people can relate it. Daisy, daisy. Okay. Then we have poppy, Poppy, poppy. Then we have morning glory, MORNING, morning glory, GLORY, morning glory. Yes, very good. Then iris, iris. Then daffodil, DAFFODIL, daffodil. Yes, in English, there is no silent letter for F. F is never silent in English. Okay, we will learn the silent words further. So, you will come to know. Then tulip, TULIP, tulip. Okay. Then we have pansy, PANSY, pansy. Some say it as pansy also, but pansy you can say, PANSY, pansy. Now, let us see poppy. Yes, we have learned the spellings, right? So, see now, you can relate. Poppy, POPPY. Have you seen this? Very rare, isn't it? Even I have not seen. I think once or twice I have seen, but it is called as poppy. Then morning glory. Wow, such a beautiful, see? MORNING, morning glory, GLORY, glory. So, these are white color also, okay. And this is said that in the, this is also very useful for controlling blood sugar and blood pressure, okay. So, you have to drink the juice of this leaves and the flowers. So, morning glory. Then we have iris, IRIS, such a beautiful flower, right? And the colors is so beautiful. Yes, we should all thank God for His creations, right? Very good. Then daffodil, 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 okay? Then we have tulip, 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 tulip. Then we have pansy or pansy, 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 okay? Then cosmos, COSMOS, cosmos. That is one of the flower. We will see which flower. If you know, if you have seen this cosmos, then think in your mind and let me know if you have seen the same flower, okay? Then we have bluebell, 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 okay? It is not blue color bell, it is a flower, okay? In the shape of a bell. So, it is called as bluebell. Then we have palash, 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 okay? Then we have sweet jasmine, yes, SWEET, sweet jasmine, JASMINE, jasmine. So why is it called sweet jasmine? Yes, when we taste it, it is really like sugar, and also it gives a beautiful nice fragrance. So there are many perfumes, foreigners in foreign companies, many foreigners have done sweet jasmine as the fragrance for their scents. Then you have only jasmine, that is Indian jasmine, Jasmine, jasmine. Okay. Then we have hibiscus. It is not hibiscus, it is hibiscus. 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 Yes. See, this is called cosmos. Cosmos. See this honey bee? It is stealing the honey from that. Have you seen? Yes, cosmos. 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 Then this is bluebell. See, it is looking like a bell. Have you seen in the temples there will be bells, right? See, it is like that. Bluebell. The shape is like this. Okay. So it is called bluebell. Such a beautiful color, no? How many of you like blue color? Yes, even I like this blue color. It's slightly purple, right? Purplish blue. Beautiful. So I want you to draw and color it also, so that you can praise the Lord as many times as possible. And I told you, the more you praise the God, God will give us more beautiful things to see. Okay? Yes, Palash. Yes, this is also beautiful. Palash, Palash. These flowers are so many, we did not even know it is called Palash, right? Palash. Then sweet jasmine. See this? Sweet jasmine. We have seen, and we have also now learned the spellings, and we also have told the sounds. So we don't have to repeat again and again. Okay? Yes, then we have jasmine. Jasmine, jasmine. Then we have hibiscus. Yes, Hibiscus, hibiscus. Okay. Then we have star glory, Star, star glory, Glory, star glory. Then we have touch me not. Yes, touch me not. So Touch, touch me, me, not, not, touch me not. Okay. Then we have mogra, mogra. See the spelling of G. Okay, Mogra. The sound will come. I heard somebody saying mojra. No, it is mogra. G has got two sounds. One is G and one is J. Okay, so it is mogra. Then dahlia, Dahlia, dahlia. Okay. Then we have petunia, 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 Petunia. Then we have bleeding heart. Oh my God, what is this? Have you heard of this? No, even I have not seen. Okay, let us see together. So, bleeding heart, Bleeding, bleeding heart, Heart, heart. Okay, such a beautiful name, right? Very rare, bleeding heart. Yes. Now we will see star glory. See, it is like a star, right? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So see, it's like a beautiful creation of God, right? So it is called as star glory. Yes, very good. Then touch me not. Now what is this touch me not? When you go to the garden, you see this small, very small plants, okay, and it is just on the ground only, don't grow big, but it just goes like this, and if you touch it, the leaves just close it. So it is called as touch me not, and when you go little far, it will bloom again. So you just try, okay, it's a nice game. You should keep on touching it and then go far, it will become bloom, and then again we should touch it. Okay, it's a nice game. Even small children love to do it. Elders also love to do it. Okay. So then we have mogra, Mogra. Mogra. It's superb, you know, its perfume is beautiful. So it is really great flower, Mogra. Then Dahlia, Dahlia. Okay. Then we have Petunia. See the beauty. My goodness. The pink and the white. There is no one small scratch here and there. See the creation of God. Okay. Appreciate it in your mind. Okay. Petunia. 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 See this bleeding heart. My goodness. See the flower. How it is beautiful. See, it is a heart shape. Okay, and why is it bleeding? Because it is coming down like this. So it is called as bleeding heart. Bleeding, bleeding heart. Heart. See the beautiful shape of the heart? Yes. So it is, and then again it's like a drop coming down. So it is called as bleeding heart. Wow, really. What's a lovely creation of God. See, now we have learned all the sounds and also the spellings of all these flowers. Okay, now let us play a small game. Are you ready to play? Yes, very good. Now the first one is B dash 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 G. Did you guess? Yes, very good. So it is bleeding heart. Before I completed, all of you answered. Very good. That means you have 100% attention. Yes. Then P-E dash dash N dash dash. Yes, very good. Who said that? Very good. Periwinkle. Oh no, it is wrong. It is Petunia. 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 Okay. Then we have morning glory. Morning. Morning glory. Glory. Morning glory. Then we have D dash dash L dash dash. Now what is this? See? Dahlia. 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 Okay. Then we have lotus. 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 Okay. So thank you for watching patiently this beautiful video of God's creation, that is flowers and their names and the sounds and the spellings with Mrs. Kalpana Heblaker. Thank you very much, and please all of you, I request you to visit our website again and again. Not only for English, we have other videos by other experts also for other subjects. Okay. Thank you very much, and let us meet up soon in the next class. Thank you.